Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to Shanece World, and I'm coming back to you with another video, and it's not like any video I have done lately. I'm trying something new, something that I like. So please let me know what you think in the comment box below down there. And just let me know what you think, if I should make another video like this, or did you like it, or anything. Just write whatever you want. So stay tuned, and I hope you like it. Peace. Alright ladies, so you're going to start off with these ingredients, and I will put these in the description box below. But basically rice, shrimp, cheese, cilantro, onion, butter, garlic, and egg you would need. So you want to start off by putting butter in a skillet and letting it melt. So you want it to look just like this. And also you want to have your rice and everything boiling while you're doing this. I do not show you that while I'm cooking, but you do want to have your rice already boiling while you're cooking. So right now you want to put your onions in there, and it's kind of hard for me because I'm holding the camera as well. So you want to add your onions and your shrimp into your butter that has melted. Right now I'm going to show you guys what seasonings I'm going to use to season my shrimp and my onions, as well as the butter. I like to season my meats or my protein and my vegetables while in this actual skillet. So this is exactly what I do. So I have Old Bay, some chili powder, some paprika, some black pepper, and also some salt. And I don't really use that much salt, so just a pinch of salt. So after you put all of that on your shrimp and your onions, you're gonna basically, your mixture is going to look like this. Okay, so right now you want to get your garlic. I don't like to put my garlic in there while the shrimp and onions are cooking because it'll burn. So I put it in towards the end. So you just want to put, I like a lot of garlic, so I put a lot of garlic, but it's up to you guys how much garlic you want to use. And you want to mix it in, and I added a little bit more butter. So basically mix it up. So right now I'm going to get my egg, and I'm going to make my eggs over easy. You guys can make your eggs any kind of way that you like it, but I like the eggs over easy, and I feel like you guys should try it. So whatever you prefer. So you're going to crack your egg into your skillet, and you want to move your shrimp and your onions to the side that's cooking with the less temperature, because it's basically done. I just have it in there so it can stay warm. So you want to crack your egg and basically let it cook a little. You want to let it cook a little before you flip it over. So I'm taking my fork, and it is a little bit harder for me to actually flip the egg while I'm holding the camera, but you guys see the gist of it. So as you can see, I'm doing this gently because you don't want your yolk to just burst. You want it to still be in the center. So you flip it over gently, just like that. But my second egg is having a little problem. So you guys, this might happen to you. You might have the ugly egg. Just let it cook for a little bit. It'll get it together. And that I'm showing you guys my rice is already done and ready. So now it's time to plate it. So you're gonna put your rice in the bowl and then put your shrimp, your onions, and your garlic on top. Then your eggs over easy. Then you want to put some cheese. After you put the cheese, you want to put some fresh cilantro on top. And I like to put a little spice to mine, so I add a little chili sauce on top of my bowl. And that's basically the spicy shrimp rice bowl that I have. Basically, I eat this for brunch or for breakfast. And I feel like this is a quick, nice, and easy meal that you can make at home. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.